We are glad to present H2AFLA, the novel, sensitive immunoassay for the analysis of total aflatoxins in several vegetal matrices like grains, nuts, feed materials. The kit uses a broad range of antibody with consistent cross-reactivities towards the 4, B, and G aflatoxins. This is a mandatory feature for accurate routine results. The kit contains all the reagents to run 96 determinations, including the standards. The curve range goes from 2.5 to 50 ppb and can be extended to 250 ppb by sample dilution. Samples are extracted following a safe, solvent-free procedure. The reagents to prepare the extracting solution are included in the kit. Prepare then the extracting solution by pouring the powder in a suitable container and diluting with the concentrate extraction buffer and distilled water. Store the solution in fridge for 2 months. To extract the aflatoxins from a sample, follow the right procedure included in the kit insert. Make sure to use representative, finely ground aliquots of sample. Add the extracting solution and shake. There is no need to work under a fume hood, as the solution is solvent-free and non-toxic. Filter the sample in polypropylene vials. The filtrate cannot be stored and must be analyzed after collection. We recommend to predispose the assay layout, recording the standards and samples positions. Prepare the adequate amount of premixing opaque wells and an equal number of reaction well, using 1 well for each standard and sample. Add 100 microliters of enzyme conjugate in each premixing well. Add 50 microliters of each standard into the corresponding premixing well and mix the content pipetting up and down. Add the samples as well. Transfer 100 microliters of mixture from the premixing wells to the corresponding reaction well. Incubate 5 minutes at room temperature. In the meantime, prepare an adequate amount of washing buffer by diluting the concentrate reagent provided in the kit. For routine analysis, you can prepare a bulk, as the diluted washing buffer can be stored and shared with other kits. At the end of the incubation, pour the liquid out from wells and fill with washing buffer using a squeeze bottle. Pour the liquid out and repeat the sequence 3 times. Remove the remaining droplets by tapping the microplate upside down vigorously against absorbent paper. Add 100 microliters of developing solution in each well. The solution is colorless and must be protected from direct light. Incubate the assay for 5 minutes at room temperature. Add 50 microliters of stop solution in each well. Gently shake the plate for a few seconds. Measure the absorbances at 450 nanometers within 15 minutes. Download from our website the dedicated spreadsheet. Copy the absorbances measured for each standard in the upper part of the Excel, and those of the samples in the dedicated table. Concentrations are automatically calculated, taking into account the sample dilution factor.